Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm doing something hella different today. We are going to be unboxing the Burberry BU9382. Bought it like a week ago. It came priority mail. I'm going to open it straight out of the box. Now I will tell you, I've never bought a watch before, so I'm not going to say anything stupid and embarrass myself. I don't really know what the fuck I'm talking about. I mean, to me, honestly, all watches do, they tell the time. But here we go, we got the box, priority mail, USPS. I honestly prefer UPS, but you know, it is what it is. I already marked off all the numbers on the box. That's why the box has that brown strip right there. That was me, because I didn't want you to get my address or any of that. But let's go ahead and open it. So I got my knife here. Gonna cut through the tape, priority mail. I think it's USPS is 2 to 3 day shipping. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this box is pretty heavy, so I got high hopes for this. I got high hopes. Here we go. It's a nice looking box. Some styrofoam. This is pretty heavy. It's pretty heavy. And then the watch itself, which comes in this box right here. It says Burberry, established 1856. It's kind of hard to read, but 1856. It's a pretty nice box. It's brown. I mean, it's high quality, I'll tell you that. I'm gonna be sure and keep this box. This is a nice box, but let's go ahead and open it here. There we go. We got a card. It says this watch is guaranteed for 2 years from the date of purchase in accordance with the conditions given in the warranty booklet. It's customer name, model number, serial number, authorized dealer, and date. And this is the Burberry International Warranty Card. Now I kind of got Sharpie on me because I marked out all the letters over there. But there you go. The card, and then we have another box inside of that. There's just some paper here. I'm gonna throw that away. And then we got another box inside of here. We got lots of boxes. Now, this at the bottom looks to be just a book, Burberry book. It's in a bunch of languages. I'm not going to read this, but it tells you how to use the chronograph and the watch functions. English is too. It looks like it's about 20 pages in about 400 different languages. Tells you how to use this. I might actually have to read this because I don't know how the fuck to use a watch. Nice. I've never had a watch, but I believe the watch is going to be in here. So we got another Burberry box. I've seen this emblem about 4 times. It's a little horse here with a little knight riding it. All right, so let's open this. Let's see what we got. Here we go. It's kind of falling off the thing a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. So picking it up, looks pretty nice. Looks very luxurious. It's got leather straps, of course, brown on the bottom. It's got like a little protector on the edges. Let me take this off really quick without breaking it. I don't think I will break it, but trying to. Come on! Come on! Come on! Okay, I'll be right back. Let me take this off. All right, so there you go. It's very shiny. It says Burberry on it. It's very nice. And then we got the actual watch itself right here. And I can go ahead and remove the film covering from that. There we go. Throw that paper away. So here you go. It looks very nice. There's a lot of detail on it. It looks like the second hand is moving. However, the actual hand is not moving. But we'll fix that in just a second. So let me put this on really quick. Alright, so I finally got it on, and this is what it looks like. I gotta admit, I'm very impressed with this leather strap. This is very good quality, I'm not gonna lie. The leather strap is very, if you were to wear it, you would understand. It's not gonna break. Honestly, I spent like 4 hours trying to get used to it. I got the clock. The time and the date, it's the 15th. But yeah, I'm very happy with this watch. It looks good, it's black. It's one of the main reasons I bought it. Would I recommend it? Probably not. I mean, it's a little much just to tell the time, but I mean, I bought it for the brand. And I'm sure there's lots of other people who just bought it for the brand as well, but that's about it. And I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye!